Guys, masyadong nakaka-enjoy itong 11th Binulig Festival ng Panabo City. So, I am inviting everyone to come here to Panabo City to watch the 11th Binulig Festival. I think hanggang Saturday pa to sila, guys. Let us what do you call that? Let us support local tourism. Ito guys ay mga contestants or contingents para sa gagawin nilang kompetisyon. Masyadong mainit guys, pero nakakapaindak ka dahil sa beat ng tugtog. Masarap isayaw. Parang nagpapasiklaban din sila ng kanilang mga music dito guys. Ang ganda ng mga beatings. Guys, very colorful ang kanilang mga kasuotan. I think this afternoon merong contest guys. Marami ka makikita dito sa Binulig Festival guys. Gaya nitong display of agricultural products and agricultural machineries, which is ito ang papasukin natin ngayon. Meron din sila mga inflatables. Mag-open na mayang 4 PM at saka meron ding food hub, which is daanan natin mamaya. Maraming agricultural display dito guys, pero iilan lang to aking pinili kasi pag uubusin ko ang dami. So if you want to see sa mga agricultural products and agricultural machineries guys, and mga finished products ng agriculture, just visit this Binulig Festival. Ito yung sinasabi kong inflatables. You could bring your children here. Siguradong mag-i-enjoy sila. Magbubukas sila at 4 PM in the afternoon. At ito naman ang food park, which is napakasarap ng kanilang paninda. Ayaw ko sanang gumastos pero gutom ako, and sa masarap tingnan ang mga pagkain, bumili na lang ako, guys. So, magdala kayo ng maraming pera. So guys, what are you waiting for? Visit now the Binulig Festival here in Panabo City. Bring your friends, bring your family, bring your relatives, and bring your children. And let's all enjoy.